Today we're going to show you how to write a check. Writing a check can be confusing for many of us who are used to using cards or phones to pay for everything, but writing a check is easy if you know the right steps. So let's get started on this step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll need a few supplies. Paper checks, usually included with your bank account, a pen or pencil, and your checkbook register. You may also want to have your bank account information handy in case you need it later. Now it's time to start writing. Here are the steps. Step 1. Date the check. On the top right corner of the check, you should see two boxes labeled Date and Payee. Fill in today's date in the Date box. Make sure that the month is written out in full, January instead of Jan, to avoid any confusion down the line. Step 2. Write out the payee name. Next we come to the Payee box directly below the Date field. This is where you will write out who will be receiving payment from you, either an individual name or company name depending on who you're paying and what type of payment they accept. Make sure to spell everything correctly. Step 3. Insert the amount in numbers. Underneath the payee field there will be a large rectangular box with two sections inside it labeled Amount in words and Amount in numbers. Start by filling out how much money is being transferred by writing out its value in numbers on the right side of this box. For example, if you're transferring $150, then write 150 on that side of this rectangular box. Step 4. Insert the amount in words. The next step is filling out how much money is being transferred by writing its value as words on the left side of this same rectangular box. For example, if you're transferring $150, then write $150 on that side of this rectangular box. Again, make sure that spelling is correct. Step 5. Memo area. Next, fill in any memo notes or references that help clarify why someone might have requested money from you. Examples include invoice numbers or reference codes. This area can also be used for personal messages such as birthdays or holidays if desired. However, remember that this information is public record, so don't use sensitive information like passwords here. Step 6. Sign your check. Lastly, sign your name at bottom middle portion within both lines provided for signatures. These lines indicate where your signature should go when signing off this formality document. Make sure it matches up with what appears at other places on file, including online banking platforms if applicable. And there we go. Now all that's left for us is to double check that everything looks good one last time before sending off our payments. Writing a check doesn't have to be daunting. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can quickly and easily write out payments with confidence. Just remember, double-check all of your information before submitting it, including dates, payee names, amounts written in words and numbers, as well as any memo notes or references that help clarify why someone might have requested money from you. So hopefully this guide helps bring some ease into your day-to-day tasks. Smiley face. If you liked this video, like and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more personal finance tips.